Hello everyone, welcome to my Hot Wheels Redlines collection. Today we're going to cover the 1969 custom AMX. It was a real car based off of AMC, American Motor Corporation, and it was a V8 car. I think Hot Wheels did a good job of this. The original car came out from 68 to about 1970. And Hot Wheels released this one in 1969, as I kind of stated earlier. Most of them that I know of have white interiors. This one is orange. Got a nice interior, nice dash. Got really nice wheels. It's got a few chips here and there, but I was okay with that. Good tail light. Other side's got good tires. Lift the hood up, exposes that V8 engine I was just talking about. It's got kind of fancy louvers on the hood. See how they did that? I think that's pretty impressive to get such a small detail in a car. And it's got 2 pins, so that guy's set up US build. Plus the clear glass. Did a really good job. Detailed the bottom of the car. Fuel tank, driveline, tranny. Part of the exhaust system coming out the side. And on the real car, a lot of them did have the side pipe. Like I say, this is based off of an AMC. And I think it's really cool. That paint, to me, the paint's amazing. I just love the way you kind of see that color in there. And even, there's really not a lot of toning, but there is, like I said, just those few chips in this guy. But this is one that I have to complete my 1969 series. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope everybody has a great day. Bye.